Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert tips on security and locksmithing. Today we're diving into a topic that often confuses many people: panic bars versus crash bars. What's the difference, and why are they so important for safety? Let's get started. So what exactly are panic bars and crash bars? These are safety devices installed on doors to provide quick and easy egress in case of emergencies like fires or evacuations. While the terms are often used interchangeably, there are some subtle differences. Panic bars are designed to allow people to open a door by simply pushing a horizontal bar. They're commonly found in schools, hospitals, and public buildings. Panic bars are regulated by strict safety codes, ensuring they're reliable in critical situations. Crash bars function similarly but are often used in more rugged or industrial settings. The term crash bar typically refers to the same type of device but emphasizes its durability and suitability for heavy-duty environments like warehouses or factories. So, what's the difference? In essence, panic bars are often associated with compliance to safety codes and public accessibility. Crash bars, on the other hand, are built for tougher environments, focusing on durability. The distinction often comes down to terminology and the specific application. Installing these bars is a must for any building prioritizing safety. They ensure quick and easy exits during emergencies, compliance with safety regulations, peace of mind for building occupants. To keep panic and crash bars functioning perfectly, regularly inspect for any loose screws or parts. Lubricate the mechanisms to ensure smooth operation. Test them periodically to verify functionality during emergencies. Simple maintenance can make a big difference in keeping your building safe. At Sure Lock and Key, we specialize in installing and maintaining panic and crash bars. Need help with panic or crash bars? Contact us today or visit our website. Whether it's a commercial building or a public space, we ensure your safety systems are top-notch. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.